Do you know what it takes to keep your RV well maintained, or more importantly, safe? Today I'm going to talk about something really important that a lot of people don't have in their RV. I know they don't have in their RV because I work in your RVs. I see some tools, and I've done videos on the tools you should have in your RV, and I think even if you're not a DIYer or you don't plan on doing any of your own repairs, you want to bring it to a service center, that's fine. You should still have some of the basics like a number 2 square driver, because that's how you're going to remove certain access panels to get to certain valves and things like that from time to time. But there is one thing, whether you're a DIYer, you're going to fix anything or not, that you absolutely should have in your RV. I happen to have that magical thing right here in this box, and do you know what it is? Some of you may have already guessed. Yes, it is a torque wrench. Now, whether you plan on doing any fixes on your own or not, you should most definitely have one of these in your RV. Let me tell you why. We could actually just let this sticker tell you why. We'll zoom in there a little bit. Check wheel lug nuts right there by the wheels. Why do you need to do that? Well, you need one of these because whether you're fixing stuff or not, this is part of a safe routine maintenance. Now, some people say that before every trip, you should be torquing your lug nuts. Some people say every so many miles, you should be torquing your lug nuts. I think before every trip, it takes literally 5 minutes to go around the coach and do it. That's probably not too bad of an idea, but even if you go to a service center and say you got your bearings repacked, after you leave the dealership, those lugs need to be retorqued after 50 miles, and you are responsible for that. If you look at your work order real closely, you'll see that it says that you're responsible for retorquing your lug nuts after 50 miles that they've been tightened. Now, some of you are going to say, well, I have a tire iron or I have an impact gun that makes sure they're tight enough. Well, guess what? Over tightening your lug nuts is just as dangerous as under tightening your lug nuts, which I find all the time. Over tightening them can actually cause you to crack wheel studs and for wheels to completely sever from the coach. You don't want that to happen. Now, I know some of you might have seen the name on this one and thought you need to go spend $1 million on a torque wrench. No, you don't need to go buy a $600 torque wrench to torque the lugs on your RV before every trip or after service. You can even go to Harbor Freight and pick one up for like 30 or 40 bucks, I think. And it's just a really cheap piece of insurance to make sure that these wheels are tightened properly going down the road and that you're safe. Now, you'll also need the lug size that is for your coach. There are only a few standard sizes, but you'll need to figure out which one you need. And then on this particular torque wrench, just like all torque wrenches, you'll be able to set it to the desired torque, which is going to be different based on every manufacturer and model. Most of them are pretty similar though. And then you just tighten it until it clicks. That's it. Once it clicks like that on a click style or a split beam style, it's going to tell you that those lugs are just as tight as they need to be. It won't allow you to over tighten or under tighten. Again, obviously as a technician, I encourage you guys to have a basic tool set in your RV so that you can fix some of those more minor things and maintain your RV. But the good old torque wrench is one that, DIYer or not, you just shouldn't live without. And again, I don't want you guys to feel like that you need to go and purchase some really expensive torque wrench to do it. They really all do the same job. Some of us are just a little bit more bougie than others when it comes to our tools. So go pick yourself up a torque wrench. Start making a habit of checking those lug nuts from time to time. Again, my personal recommendation would be before every trip, kind of like a pre-trip thing that you would do. But either way, it should be done. Appreciate you guys for sticking around. If you guys want to see more tech tips, tricks, and even some RV tours, make sure you guys press that subscribe button.